Elite Paper Solutions assists document control for lots of companies. We conduct scanning, storage and document destruction and also recycling of that document destruction. We currently employ 41 people but actually have 65 people coming into the premises for training and volunteering too. We're absolutely delighted that Transport for Wales has chosen to work with Elite. The huge benefit for us is that it creates lots of jobs for people with disadvantage. The contract from Transport for Wales will assist our staff gain employment, have training opportunities so that they can move to jobs in the community, and those who undertake volunteering will build their confidence and self-esteem.
Well, I think it's important to show that Transport for Wales isn't just about trains. The whole reason for developing a not-for-profit model to improve our transport system is it's part of the community. So now we own the railway stations and we're going to look at how we can make the most of that for the people around it. And the contracts it awards needs to benefit all the communities using SMEs, helping groups who are disadvantaged, working with social enterprises. We need to make this contract work for Wales.
I started off as a trainee programme and I was here for a good few months, and then Elite offered me the job, and ever since I've been here it's got me where I wanted to be. I've been nominated for awards, I've been to my old school to give presentations, and I'm an apprenticeship ambassador now, and it's just made my confidence just grow massively.